Hey Google, turn on studio light.
Got it. Turning on the studio light.
What's up guys? Welcome back again for another parcel unboxing, and this package is from Sir Michael Vincent Ramos. Okay, galing ng Calamba, Laguna. It is a highly rated seller in Facebook marketplace, guys. So if you're into buying pre-love items, pre-love toys, just follow his page and check his post for his items for sale. Okay, before we unbox this, just let me promote this page, HCE Shop Select. It is my personal page where I used to post some of my items for sale. So go check it out, guys, and check my page ko. Alright, so let's unbox this, guys. And this is package from my good friend from Calamba, Laguna. Okay, yung package na to, meron tong purchases, merong trades, 5 items ang laman nito, guys. And yung mga scales na nakuha natin ngayon, yung maliliit, 1:87 in particular, meron lang isa doon na 1:64. Yan. And yung nakuha natin na yun, talagang kinokollect natin yung brand na yun, yung Tiny HK o Tiny City. But this is non-diecast, and this is RC or yung remote control tiny brand na micro RC. Okay, so ang ganda rin itong mga items ni sir na nakuha natin. Okay, so si Sir Michael, napaka ano niyan, very ano yung tao na yan, very supportive yan, kasi as you know, yung small business natin, yung decluttering ng ibang items natin, supportive yan sa akin. Napaka supportive. Thank you very much, sir. And nagla-live selling pala yan, sir. Si Sir Michael Vincent, nagla-live selling yan, so check nyo siya. Ang mabilis sa kanya yung mga sa 9 diecast, yung mga Chorokyu. Yun, if interested ka sa item na Japan items na yon, mga Japan items, mga tawag dito Hot Wheels brand, meron siyang Tomica. Yan, mga Tomica. Yung Tomica, by the way, isa siya sa nag-introduce sa akin. Meron siyang Yonezawa. Yung Tomica, maraming klase yon. Meron siyang Japan na Tomica, merong made in Vietnam. So kung yung mga hinahanap nyo, baka nandun sa kanya. Okay, so unahin na natin kung ano yung madudukot natin, na kasi 5 items to. Medyo marami-rami. Okay, so this one, ito yung nakabox. Yeah, this is the Isuzu na N-Scale Paramedica Equipment Tender. Isa siyang 1:64 scale na Tiny City brand. Ito yung RC, micro RC. Yan, ngayon lang din talaga ako nakakita ng Tiny City na RC. Yan, nandun yung remote niya. Ito yung mismo yung truck. Sabi dito, Isuzu daw yung truck niya. Yan. Okay, so Paramedica truck to. May instruction manual. Tested to, working tested to. At may video si sir niyan. Okay, so dyan muna siya. Open naman natin yung iba. Okay. Ayan, this one. Isa siyang Northcott na CAT 906 wheel loader. This is 1:87 scale. Ang liit, ano? So 1:87. Ang cute. Yan, Northcott yan, guys. Scale model siya ng Northcott. Napaka-cute. Okay, so dito muna. Open muna natin yung iba. By the way, guys, this is just part 1 na. Limited line time natin tonight. Meron pa tayong ginagawa kasi. Gagawa natin ng separate na ano to, review. Okay, so ito yung another one. Yan. Isa siyang Seiko brand na excavator. Yan. Okay, this is in particular, this is Seiko 1874 Liber Litronic. Yan, kasi with Liber markings yan, guys. Libertronic na 974 excavator. What's special about this is a rare color blue. Hindi to guys repainted color blue talaga to. Yan, just like in the picture. Meron na tayo na itong yellow. Itong isa na to, tingin ko this is limited edition ng Siku. Yan, very rare yung color na to. Ganda pa ng condition ng toy na to. Missing lang talaga sa kanya yung trackpad niya na rubber. Yan, okay. So, yun na to. Tatlo, meron pang dalawa. Okay, meron siya ditong itong isa, bigay lang to. This is non-diecast, I think. Yan. Bigay lang to. Isa siyang German Brekina Unimog na ang scale niya is 1:87 scale. Yan, German brand to. Ang cute din nito, guys. Isa siyang Mercedes Unimog. Okay, for the final and one of the most rare item na nakita ko sa kanya. And hindi nyo makikita kahit saan to. Diecast to, itong isa na to. Wait lang ito ba siya? Okay. Yan, ito yung pinaka-head mo na. Yan, diecast siya, mabigat guys. Isa siyang Bob Dutch Post Edition cable truck. Yan, kaya Dutch Post Edition cable truck. May trailer na kasama to. Ang para siyang flatbed, ang laman niya is cable, which is this one. Yan, di ba mukha siyang cable from the Dutch Post Company. Yan. Open natin yung trailer. Ito yung trailer niya. I think. Yon, okay. Yan, ganda ng trailer na to. This is flatbed. Ang bigat talaga nito. May markings dito, Bob. Kikita nyo ba guys? Teka, zoom tayo. Medyo madilim kasi Yun, Bob. B-U-B. Yan, Bob. Yun yung pangalan ng diecast na to. Okay, so supposedly attach mo yan dito. Yan. Tapos ito yung sakay niya. Napaka-unique nung toy na to. Yan, 1:87 scale din to. Yan, madilit yung mga nakuha natin ngayon kay sir. But for me, yung lineups ng mga nakuha natin is lahat meron kasi tayo. Siguro yung 164 natin current on my possession. Yan. Tapos 187, 187, 187, 187. Meron tayo niyan. Yeah, mostly mga Siku brand yung 187 ko. Yan. Okay, so if you like more this diecast toy review, just follow my page. I have a TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube account. And I'll see you for the part 2 and so on of this product review. Yung mga toys na to, gagawa ng separate review. Okay, I'll see you soon on the upcoming video and goodbye.